Oh, that thing has
Christmas!
Christmas carols down the street, snowflakes on the graceful trees, underneath the mistletoe. My teardrops melt the snow. Baby, won't you please come home?
Who said you can eat the chocolate?
Daddy.
Where did you get it from?
I start right. Oh, see. Oh, stop.
Who said you can eat it?
No, oh, see. No.
It's too early for it.
No, see. I do run.
Okay.
Okay? You do eat.
You don't eat. It's too early.
You eat, Mommy.
It's very early in the morning.
You eat, Mommy.
Mm.
Eat. Do.
Enough, okay? No more, okay? Mama already wiped your face.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye! Hi everyone. It's already morning and I am having outside some strawberry, mango, and scrambled eggs.
Yum.
It's very yummy.
Who made it?
Huh?
Who made it?
Daddy?
Daddy. Tignan niya. Nagbe-brunch kami, guys. Daddy made this. So, kaninang umaga, pumunta si Daddy Mike sa gym. And they came home and did this.
I'm going to tell you a secret that I'm going to do when I'm 8 or 7
Okay.
years old.
Are you going where?
Talent show.
Talent show?
The one we have to go in Boston. We're doing Barbie girl dance.
Yeah? Okay. Ala, hindi niya sinabi yan sa akin, ah.
I said I hope you get the gold Boston.
Yeah. What are you gonna do when you join?
I'm going to get some of my friends to come
Yeah, but what are you gonna do? Like, are you gonna sing? Are you gonna dance?
dance.
Dance?
And that was the song and that was that we will dance.
Okay.
And the girls are old
Let's
Barbies.
manifest, honey.
Some of the girls are Barbies. Parker's can if he wants to come. And I say we'll have more boys and more girls, and we'll figure out who's the Barbies. I'm the
boys.
I'm the natural Barbie, like the real one.
The natural Barbie. Okay.
I'm the lead of the Barbies because
Okay.
because I'm pretending there's more Barbies. Because that's what they did when before it was the holidays, like we had 50 days out of school.
Mm-hmm.
We watched some talents on the hole at the hole, and we saw Barbie girls and those more Barbies. But only 4 Barbies. I'll choose 4 Barbies, and I'll
Let's
choose
eat na, anak.
10.
Uy, hindi niya na chika na. Sige, chika na. Gananin ko yung buhok niya kasi puputulan ko sana yung bangs. Anak na, I gotta have French na. Basta kami ni Daddy, magkumain muna daw kami. So,
We're going to
Petite.
shopping.
Oh, that's another way around. You help me, Daddy? You do it. Mama help you choose? We'll go to the shop and get Nana, okay?
Mommy, what part? Stop.
I'll show you. It's in the same shelf, Bob. Under her dresses. Come. Show me your shoes, B. Come here. Come here. We'll put it. It's the other way around.
No!
Oh, bahala ka. It's now 2:10 ng hapon, guys. And we will go out. We are doing our Christmas tree shopping. Pupunta kami ng Kmart. Dapat sana kahapon. But then, si Daddy Maka hindi maganda yung pagkiramdam kahapon. So, hindi kami lumabas ng bahay. Kaya, hindi kami nakabili. So, ngayon, he felt better. And ako, I don't know. Very, like, I think straight 3 minutes. Sumakit yung puso ko, guys. Maybe because I'm getting my monthly dalaw. But yeah, but I don't normally have, abdominal pain kapag nagkakaroon ako, but I don't know why sumakit ako. And while we are doing our Christmas tree shopping, of course, it's Sunday, tayo ay mag-grocery shopping din for our week. Masakit pa rin magsalita, guys. Ay, kaya ko pa ba? Sobrang sakit kanina. Binigyan ako ni Daddy Mike ng antibiotics niya. Magang-maga. Binigyan ako ng antibiotics. Diba ka-infected? Masakit na nga kahit isa lang. Ano pa kaya ito? Isa dito, tapos isa din sa dila. Magdadala tayo ng plastic. Sa Aldi kami pupunta. Rini! Come here. Okay, I'm not taking this here. God bless you. I'm not taking this. Uy! Marami tayong nadalhin just in case ba. Buti na yung sumobra sa ating naglang. Silin ka muna, nak! Buti na lang, medyo nawala-wala yung sakit ng kitchen ko. Goodness. Lahat na lang masakit. Dahil natin. So, tingnan niyo, si Daddy Mike yung ng buhok niya, oh. Be?
Like this?
Yes, come here now. Are you gonna wear that?
Mama! Mama!
Okay, come. Show here, babe.
Pull up.
Daddy, where's snacks?
Here.
I want Daddy, where's snacks?
That's mine.
It's for you. Look, here.
And this one?
What do you want?
1,
No.
2. Then go around, go under.
I want it.
I can't because I've got my glasses.
Yeah.
Yours?
I want it to go.
What's that? Next one.
I teach you.
I see you.
I do.
Wow.
Yeah, Daddy. Yeah. Yeah. I can't wear this. I can't.
That's too big. Put this back.
I made my own birdie. I mean,
Yeah.
zero. I like walk.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the car.
Let's go. So go. Sorry, said go. We go. We're outside.
Sorry.
We can't leave that because Daddy's the financer.
The ball.
Turn the car on.
The ball is in the thing. Yeah, we're going Christmas tree shopping now. Kasi malapit nang magpasko, guys. Hindi pa kami
Let's
naka-decorate.
see your shirt. It's green.
Yeah.
And
Green.
yeah, shopping kami kasi si Daddy nakatanggap ng malaking halaga. Daddy, did you receive a big money, Daddy?
One.
Sana.
What, Daddy?
Sana, oh, my bonus. Bono. Ang ako, guys, bono.
Bonat.
On the right.
Huh?
Bonat.
Bonus, yeah.
The right.
Alright, Jax! Alright! Nakalimutan ko. Naghihintay ako ng bonus ko. Nakalimutan ko. Wala pala akong trabaho, guys. Wala akong bonus. Nakati-kati na naman ko. It's good because when daddy's work, they do have bonus. Kahit naman before sa work ko, nung nag-work ako, wala silang bonus. Why do you think sector don't have bonus, daddy? For us. They probably have bonus in the mga like sales people, yeah.
No, commission.
Yeah, commission. But bonus like Christmas bonus and that.
It's like pay for your Christmas trip up to
Yeah,
Sydney.
Yeah, yun lang. So,
If anything, Bob.
but I think you still. Do you think you get more than what? Yeah, I think.
You get more.
Yeah.
For you, especially for you, because you got family. Really.
Yeah. I get more, yeah.
Yeah. There's popcorn inside. No.
So Daddy Mike gets bonus, but yung old job ko wala siyang bonus. But they send us all to
Location.
yeah, like Sydney for like Christmas celebration, and they pay for the accommodations and the flights.
I get taxed like 40%, you know, of my bonus.
Why is that?
Because a bonus is considered a commissions,
Oh,
and commissions get taxed higher than salary.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Well, that's not very nice, is it?
Huh?
You thought you got money, but it just goes to tax.
No, I don't think I knew already. Like, I already know that happens, but because it happens to me every year.
Yeah. I'm just saying, wouldn't it be nice to get the whole amount?
Yeah. Really, like, they should find a way to do that. Maybe like give us gift card or something. I don't know.
Oh yeah, instead of cash.
I don't think you can take cash out of the gift card.
Or just tell them to give you a little bit of a gift card worth $4,000. And it'll be sweet. Ma! Who's getting Christmas tree? My bear! Oh yeah, bear in your hair.
Mommy bear.
We're going to come out first, yeah?
Mommy bear on
Yeah.
your head.
We will have like meat and
I made a sentence up. Mommy bear on your head.
well done, honey, go.
Mini bear. Yeah. Mini bear on your head. Agnes! I'm sorry.
You wanna sit here, Lynn?
No! I'll sit there.
Why not? You here?
No! I'll sit here. Agnes!
Christmas! Look!
I want a Christmas cracker.
Yeah, that's for later on, anak. We just need the Christmas tree for now. Wow.
Mike, can I look?
We're not now. We're hot Christmas.
Hi, I want to buy a Christmas cracker.
Which one, Lynn?
Agnes!
Which tree?
Which tree, anak?
Red.
This one?
This one?
Yeah, this one. Right?
I want
They did that one's too big for our house.
I already found one.
That's nice.
Found it.
Ang daming options. Ganda. Who's that, Lynn? Lynn, who's this, Lynn? Lynn, ikaw?
Santa.
Salang, Lynn ba? Lynn, who's this, Lynn?
Agnes.
Christmas.
It's Santa. Santa.
Yeah. Sobrang ganda nito ba?
My look. Christmas candy. This is
Kaya hindi lang naman ko na anak. Pwede.
Cookie. My, that's not cookie. That's coloring.
Cookie.
You want?
That one.
One?
Show me the Santa. How much is the small one? Rainy girl. What's that? Is that for hanging?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's that? A mouse.
a mouse. What's that for?
Wait, I like that. I was about to
Where are you gonna use it?
I want to see.
Swimming.
Where's my mouse?
Ayan
I'll put
na
it right
ang mga
here.
napamili. Tingnan nyo,
That's a
bili-bili
better
pa talaga na.
I
Ganyan.
want mouse.
These are very cute. Nak, get one.
Ma, yeah, I got the decoration.
Get ones that's not different to this one.
Yeah.
Very traditional. Huh?
Found one.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Love this.
I'm looking at a fucking.
Gusto kong mamili nan. Oh, Daddy, see if you can find this one, Baba. That gold thingy, this one. See this one. This one. I'm wondering what it is.
Why didn't you put it?
What happened to your tooth? Oh no, no, show me. Oh no, you okay? All right.
Give me that mailbox.
Give it to Daddy. Oh. 186 for this. Tapos separate yung ating Christmas tree kasi malaki. Daddy. Call Daddy.
Yeah, that's Daddy.
Call Daddy.
Daddy, where's this Daddy?
Daddy's not there.
Stop.
So Daddy, where are you?
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Where did he go? Huh? Call again?
My God.
Ah, no.
Oh no.
Oh, no. Ate didn't get it.
We better go.
Goodbye, 540.
That's how
Aldi.
I go one.
Yeah.
We'll go grocery shop now. Come on.
Come back.
Let's go. Follow Daddy.
You wanna ride on it?
Huh? Chiki chiki bamba.
Tiki, mouse.
Chiki chiki bamba.
Tiki, mouse.
Mama.
Tiki, mouse.
Chiki chiki chiki.
Ow. Mouse. Everything.
Nyo, oh.
Na, na, na.
Na 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 na. Come na. Here.
Come on.
Come na.
Come.
Come on, so we're gonna set up our Christmas tree quick.
Up, Daddy. Move. Move.
Ang dugay-dugay, kamalanggit si Lena. Come on. 5 o'clock na, kakauwi lang namin. So, sobrang dami nga pamilya, guys. Yung mga Christmas stuff ay nilagay na namin dyan malapit sa front door. Hindi na namin hawakan kasi yung mga kids ay mai-excite na bonggang-bongga. So, ilalagay muna namin itong mga pagkain at mga kung anik-anik. Sa tamang paglagyan nila ay namin the Christmas tree after.
Mine.
Yes, anak.
Do this like I get one and you show the camera and I put back and get another one.
No, Mama's gonna show this for you.
And then we can do it.
Show this first.
Ow.
You can do that one by one, anak. We'll show later when we do the Christmas tree. Okay?
Okay, you can try about two.
We have this stuff. So, yung mga napabili namin guys is yung mga normal na binibili namin during dahil para sa aming weekdays. What's this? Oh, what's this, Daddy?
Asparagus.
Asparagus.
This is nice.
Is that?
You know the cheese that I bought?
Yeah. Oh, is that the same as the black high up?
So, yeah. That's broccoli.
Ah, okay. So we've got this watermelon. Sobrang excited kami sa Christmas tree. Actually, but this is the first Christmas tree that we have in this house here.
Yeah.
I think we had Christmas tree last year.
Nah.
Yeah.
Did we? No, we don't have Christmas tree.
But I feel like you wouldn't let us not have a Christmas tree.
Not last year. Because we went to Edgar's house, remember? We didn't have any celebration. So, I don't think, yeah, this is our first Christmas tree. Kasi 2 years pa lang naman kami. 2 Christmas pa kami dito sa Brisbane. So, the first Christmas, hindi kami na Christmas tree. Kasi ano pa, overwhelmed pa kami sa lipat and also. Ngayon lang. So, it will be really, really fun doing our Christmas tree. We got some bread.
Baby!
What did you get to, Daddy? We can throw this now, huh? It's oldie.
You can keep that.
Oldie.
Mommy!
Yes, baby girl.
I like her.
I cut my room, mate.
And we also got a letter for Santa.
Here,
I don't think you like it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yuck. But again, you're gonna write a letter to Santa, okay? You're gonna draw for Santa and we put it here, okay? And we'll see, maybe Santa will grant your wish.
No more money.
No money.
Do you know what else
Yes.
we can do? Like we can give the food to Santa.
Anak, take the shoes off lang, babe, because it's wet on the floor, anak.
So we'll give Santa some milk, but we don't have cookies.
Yeah, we can get cookies then. We're still far away. We're still,
I know cookies.
there's still 30 days. Oh, is it 30 days? Yeah, 30 days to Christmas.
Right, and after Nila, we can use the pink cookies. Pink cookies.
Oh, yeah.
That's
We've
good.
got fabric conditioner, yogurt,
I'm gonna keep this one out.
kabed.
Kabed.
Kabed. We've got cheese and crackers para sa baon ni Ate Paris. I also got this
Oh, you forgot about this
Singapore.
one.
Huh? When was that?
I didn't put that in there.
Oh, that's probably the frozen one, Bob.
No, just that.
I don't know. Not?
Smells alright.
Yes, that's okay.
You need to do soon.
We got some noodles. Gusto kong mag stir fry gamit ito. Tea. Toothpaste, Anna. Toothbrush for baby Celine, Mickey Mouse.
Let's wash this.
Pancake mix.
Fresh barramundi.
Barramundi.
Fresh snapper. And this is for Daddy.
Yakult. Okay ka ba chan? And potatoes.
Potato. Chop, potato.
We have Doritos, Nutri-Grain, popcorn, noodles, pancake, beans,
I'm
dry
gonna
mango,
write letter to
chocolate. Okay. Apple, corn.
Yeah.
Tissue. Ayan. Ito na yung ginamit ko. Yogurts.
Nice.
Mga maliit. Tingnan nyo. Milk. Cheese.
Manchanok.
Pudding.
Manchanok.
It looks like Philippine mango.
Well, it's
No.
next door, yeah? Thailand. Same shit.
Yeah. No, tingnan nyo. Mukhang ano.
It's probably the same.
Yeah, it looks like it, Bob. It's probably Filipino mango.
Nice. Try it.
Probably Filipino mango, Bob, and they're just...
Because
You know?
Filipino mango is not called manchanok.
They're probably from Philippines and they're like not
Try to
like
steal
us. Yeah. They just try to steal it.
Just
Like
this,
they
just
always do.
Just
Like in Miss Universe.
yeah, just like this universe.
Sausages. Paris, can you say sausages?
Sausages.
Well done. Celine, can you say sausages? Where is she, Bob?
Yeah.
Ham.
Look at this. This
Pork.
is worth looking. Look at the quality.
Lamb. Oh yeah, you can really tell. Yeah.
This is for my.
Premium.
I'll make me and you some embarrassed.
Premium.
I'll make it.
Vanilla rice. What's this, Bob? Pod?
Huh?
Is that like pudding?
Rice pudding.
And for the stir fry, na
Mama.
vegetables.
Mama didn't take care of this one, did you?
No, it's water in it.
Huh?
You left, remember? Meron ba ba?
Which one do you want in the freezer? Of the meats. Give me that mix.
This one, because I'm gonna cook this tomorrow. I'm gonna cook this tomorrow. Stir fry. And this one is for Celine's lunches.
Okay, give me this and then freezer.
We got some pretzel, oat milk, kamote, and so many more. Ay, my goodness. Yan pa oh. Hindi ko na isa-isahin ay. Bukasan pa tayo dito. So just put these things away and then we'll start our sweet potato. We will start our Christmas tree. What is it? Another one?
That's for Paris.
Dinner time. Yummy?
That's for Auntie.
Here you go, Adi. More.
This is for Mommy.
I want